Big shout out to Jovelyn Alejandro for subscribing. Thanks for your support, Jovelyn. Ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just a sign of being tired. Yawning is actually a way for our bodies to cool down. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath, which helps cool your brain and keep it alert. But that's not all. Yawning is also contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response in you because it's linked to empathy and social bonding. It's like our brains are wired to synchronize with others. So next time you yawn, remember, it might just be your brain's way of keeping you cool and connected. And if you want to hear your name in the next video, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll be thanking a new subscriber in each video. Hit that subscribe button and your name could be in the next video.